Welcome back to the Survival Circle. Today we're going to talk about something that I just read about recently, and this is the setup for it. What we're going to do is some manual vacuum sealing. What happens when the grid goes down and you still need to seal stuff for future use, but you can use this. It's real easy, and we're going to take you through the process step by step. But on the left-hand side we have a Ziplock manual vacuum sealer. And we also have a canning jar with its lids, and on the right hand side we have an old spaghetti sauce jar that we're using. And let me show you how to do all this. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off with is showing you the vacuum pump here. Again, it's on the left hand side. This guy, you can get it at Walmart for about $4, and it comes with 3 vacuum sealed bags that you can use. That's how you're supposed to use it normally. You have this thumbtack here. It's just a regular thumbtack you can get anywhere. A little piece of electrical tape, and cut small enough so that it fits in the hole under the vacuum sealer there. This is a canning lid. Notice the rubber ring around the edge, and since it's a canning lid, it also has the little bracket. Okay, so you poke a hole in the lid with the thumbtack. There you go. You can see the hole there. Close to the center is pretty good. Take your electrical tape, lay it down lightly over that hole. You don't want to seal it up right now. Okay, and then you use that vacuum sealer just like it's intended to. And right now it's actually sucking all the air out of that jar. I used 10 pumps here on this closed jar, and look at this. You can pick it up and it's vacuum sealed. Of course, you can put the ring on to make sure you don't knock that lid off. But you can do the same thing with an old spaghetti sauce jar. There's the top. You can see I already had that pre-punched hole, but you take that rubber ring, make sure it's good and clean, of course. You put your lid on, poke the hole, you put your electrical tape on. This one I put on a little tight. I'll show you what happens here. When you put the pump on, it doesn't get a good suction out. It doesn't dislodge that tape, so you have to take the tape off and just get it loose. Just kind of lay it on there, and then when you get back to doing the suction here, there you go. 10 pumps. Of course, if your jar had something in it, then it would have probably take fewer pumps because you're not evacuating as much air. Seal your tape down and you're good to go. Now this holds vacuum just like if you used a vacuum sealer, your food saver attachment. Here's another advantage of the Ziplock here, is it's fully washable. You can take it all apart. And the little collar that attaches the handle to the pump itself comes apart in 2 pieces, so it can be washed completely. So nothing gets stuck in there. And it's really easy to assemble and disassemble. So there you go. If the grid goes down and you still need to vacuum seal stuff, you can still do it. Thanks for joining us. And we'll be back with another video as soon as possible.